how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Monopoly app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. So here we are, as you can see in Monopoly Go. Now what you're going to want to do is come to the top and press on your shields and you'll be able to select different shield skins from here. I haven't unlocked any yet, but I found two possible ways to get them. The first way is by completing the current in-game event. For example, right now it's Asgardian Games, and by landing on this page, you can obtain rewards, sometimes including shields. So keep an eye on these events and complete them to get shields. The second way is by completing daily tasks and earning your weekly rewards. To do this, go to the bottom left corner and press the wins button. You'll get quick wins every day, and sometimes the weekly prize is new shield skins. So that's basically how you can get different shields in Monopoly Go. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.